Welcome back to the channel, mobility enthusiasts and urban commuters. Today, we are diving into a piece of design brilliance that might just revolutionize how we think about the final leg of our daily commutes. We live in an era where urban spaces are becoming increasingly congested, pushing innovators to constantly rethink personal transportation. The market is absolutely flooded with last-mile solutions, from electric skateboards to bulky e-bikes, but the electric scooter has undeniably emerged as the reigning champion at city streets. However, despite their widespread adoption, traditional e-scooters have a glaring flaw: they're cumbersome. Even the folding models tend to be awkward to carry up a flight of stairs, impossible to fit comfortably under a standard office desk, and a complete nuisance when navigating a packed subway car. People inevitably bump into you, the handlebars snag on clothing, and you constantly feel like you are apologizing to everyone around you for taking up so much space. This brings us to a mind-bending concept from the brilliant minds over at Second White, a visionary design studio based in South Korea. They have introduced a conceptual vehicle that strips away the bulk and reimagines the e-scooter as a marvel of compact engineering. It is called the VtoV 1000, and it is a breathtaking electric scooter concept that literally folds down into the size of an executive briefcase. Before we get into the mesmerizing mechanics of how this device transforms, it's important to note that the VtoV 1000 is not just some random sketch posted on an internet forum. This extraordinary piece of industrial design actually scooped up a highly prestigious Red Dot Award. While the concept was initially unveiled in 2023, Second White recently brought it back into the spotlight by publishing the detailed design files and renderings on their Behance account, sparking a massive renewed interest across the urban mobility community. The reason for this excitement is entirely justified when you look at the sheer ingenuity of its folding mechanism. Most electric scooters on the market today rely on a very simple single-hinge fold, where the steering column simply drops down over the base. It is functional, but it leaves you carrying an awkwardly long and heavy metal stick. The VtoV 1000, on the other hand, performs a piece of mechanical origami. The folding process happens in several deliberate, beautifully engineered stages.
One of the most fascinating steps involves the base folding in on itself. Normally, the deck is rigidly locked in place to support the rider's weight. To initiate the transformation, the user must disengage a discrete little latch seamlessly integrated into the board. Once released, the rear portion of the deck swings forward, bringing the rear wheel right up close to the steering column. Following this, the steering column itself is pushed down into a solid block sitting at the base of the stem. Finally, this entire front block assembly folds neatly over the collapsed deck. The system then automatically locks the entire structure in place, ensuring that the scooter does not accidentally spring open while you are carrying it. When the entire process is complete, you are left with a neat rectangular package that is no larger than a standard briefcase. But the genius of the VtoV 1000 does not stop at its folded size. Even when completely collapsed down into briefcase mode, the design intentionally leaves the rear wheel exposed. Combined with protruding handles, this allows the user to drag the folded scooter along the ground exactly like a piece of rolling carry-on luggage. This is an absolute game changer for combined routes. Imagine gliding effortlessly from your front door to the train station, folding the scooter in seconds, dragging it through the turnstiles and onto the crowded train, and then tucking it completely out of sight beneath your desk at work. You no longer have to worry about finding a secure bike rack outside your building, or pleading with building security to let you bring your muddy transportation device into the lobby. The scooter simply becomes a piece of your daily luggage, as unobtrusive as a laptop bag. Aesthetically, the VtoV 1000 is a masterclass in modern purist minimalism, a design language that South Korean studios are globally renowned for. If you look closely at the renderings, every single line serves a purpose. The vehicle features remarkably small wheels, a razor-thin deck, and beautifully integrated lighting that gives it a futuristic yet understated presence. It completely avoids the aggressive, rugged look that many high-performance scooters lean into, instead opting for a clean, sophisticated vibe that looks like it belongs in a high-end tech boutique. Up on the handlebars, the minimalist theme continues.
The scooter features a sleek, integrated display that allows the rider to easily track crucial metrics like range and speed. The acceleration is handled by a simple thumb throttle, which promotes a laid-back, relaxed riding posture without cluttering the steering area with bulky levers and visible cabling. Because the deck itself is heavily involved in the folding mechanism and hinges right down the middle, it raises some interesting engineering questions about where the battery is housed. Speculation within the tech community suggests that the power cells would likely be integrated vertically into the main steering stem rather than the floorboard. The reality is that most people only travel a short distance from transit hubs to their final destination, meaning a massive, heavy battery pack is often unnecessary. A smaller, stem-mounted battery would be more than sufficient for a quick zip across the downtown grid. Additionally, the designers have showcased a mysterious rectangular box alongside the scooter in some of their promotional images. This box is slightly larger than the folded scooter itself, leading many to believe it could be a dedicated charging dock or a sleek storage container for the home or office. As it stands today, the VtoV 1000 remains firmly in the concept phase. It has not yet made the leap from award-winning design to mass production reality. We have not seen physical prototypes tearing down city streets, and there are currently no indications of a retail launch date. It is entirely possible that the manufacturing costs or the complexities of the multi-stage folding mechanism make it a challenging product to bring to the consumer market at a competitive price point. However, concepts like this are vitally important to the evolution of transportation. They push the boundaries of what is possible, challenging established manufacturers to think outside the box, or in this case, inside the briefcase. The VtoV 1000 proves that we do not have to settle for bulky, inconvenient mobility devices. It offers a tantalizing glimpse into a future where our personal vehicles integrate seamlessly and beautifully into our daily lives, demanding almost zero footprint when not in use. Whether or not this specific model ever hits the streets, the brilliant ideas showcased here will undoubtedly influence the next generation of electric scooters. Let me know in the comments below if you would swap your current e-scooter for something this remarkably compact, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of urban mobility.